Hi, I'm Old Sneelock. Welcome to another episode of Old Sneelock's Workshop. I'm going to use this drum sander to finish carving out the legs. Doesn't generate that much dust, but I don't want to have any problems. It's important to have a dust mask that fits. My other one was a little bit too small. I have a somewhat large face and you have to buy a large dust mask to fit. I found this one at Menards. It's always been a little bit of a difficulty for me to get the right size dust mask. So I was happy to have this one. These Ziploc bags are really handy in the shop. They let me keep things organized and relatively good shape. This is the original band that I had on the arbor, and it was doing good until it started to overheat. I think it's because it was loaded up. I probably should have cleaned the sandpaper because it looks like the glue just overheated and started to break loose. So, word to the wise, there's a little bit of a rubber, what they used to call that, hush puppy shoes had a kind of rubber on the sole, natural live rubber, whatever. You can buy little blocks of it now to clean your sandpaper. I need to get one if I'm going to keep doing this.